Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, regarding TCS NQT 2025 off-campus result, okay? So there is one update. So now HR is telling the result will be now announced it by the end of August, right? So earlier TCS has said the result will be announced by the end of July, and now they have shifted here to end of August. Actually, they are now busy into laying off 12,000 employees. Okay, friends, one thing is for sure. So 2025 batch, 2026 batch, okay, their result onboarding, it might be little delayed, which generally happens in TCS. Okay, 2020 hiring, there will be no impact. The layoffs, what you are hearing earlier also I have told you, it's only for the mid-level, okay, and senior employee. Okay, now so here you do not have to worry either from 2025 batch and 2026 batch. If you'll ask, sir, the result, so we'll have to wait for the TCS only to release the result. So they are telling by end of the August. So now we will have to wait. It might come in mid of the August also, but as per the confirmation, we are yet to analyze and consolidate the result of the interview. You will receive it by end of the August. All onboarding. So 2025 batch waiting for onboarding. So your onboarding will also happen. Already many people have onboarded. So please don't get into this layoffs videos and all. For fresher, it is not there. Okay. First of all, we appreciate your patience. Thanks and regards. Rebecca, some pronounce her. Okay, very good. So human resource, campus recruiter, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. So you can say for overall, it will be like that. Now, friends, second thing, this TCS website, okay? TCS website is down from almost 10 days now, okay? And I wanted to ask this particular respected CEO, you are claiming that the layoff is happening in TCS because of the latest technology, right? So AI and other things. See, first you need to bring the technology to fix your website. I uploaded one video, okay? I uploaded one video. If you'll go to our YouTube channel also, you will be able to see. So with inspect method, how you will be able to see your result. And few of the students sent mail to TCS that, sir, is this true? And after that, this website is down. So when we talk about technology, when you talk about layoffs, because and the reason you will give as the technology evolvement, where is the technology in your website? Give this website to Joho Poho, some company, they will fix and they will give it to you. See, you say that TCS is one of the biggest companies. So my question to you, the CEO of TCS, sir, why not you are using the technology in your website? Trust me, if you give this website to us, to Online Study for You, many students, they will fix and they will give it to you. I don't know where is your focus. So your focus is how to, cut short the jobs, and you are not checking what is a process which TCS is following. Result is delayed, onboarding is delayed, hiring is delayed, website is not working. But no, your focus is where? How to lay off the employee on the name of the technology, right? And see how these things has happened. So first what they see, their goal was to reach here, that how to lay off employee, right? How to lay off employee. Then they thought, okay, so they will give the new age technology as one of the reason. And then they also introduced the bench policy. See, this, all those things, no, it is happening in sequence. So bench policy. So they will have some reason if IT, if IT labor ministry. So if they come in picture and they ask, they could give the reason that they are not able to deploy the senior or mid-level employees into any of the project. So please put your focus on all those things where students, where the candidates, where the young talents are suffering. Okay, get this website fixed, you give it to us, okay, and we will get it done. We have at Online Study for You family members, we have around 6,80,000 members. Some of them will fix this website, which your big team of 13,000 something are not able to fix from so long. And then daily you are updating 28th of July, 29th of July, 30th of July, it is coming from 20th of July. And this is, if you think that this is right, what you are doing is right, trust me, this is a big shame for such a big company, TCS. See, you keep your words, you do all those things, but you don't know that there are so many things which is going on, right? All the process of hirings, onboardings, everything is delayed, and how much candidates are suffering. Okay, so definitely friends, this was not acceptable from TCS, but still today, if you will see from Indian colleges, right? So whatever engineering colleges are in India, most of the students will be placed in Accenture, TCS, right? So these are the company who are giving the job. So that is the only thing, but always look for other opportunities as well. Don't only depend on TCS, okay? Keep these companies as a option and keep trying for other companies as well. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. This is the information I wanted to give you. And at this point of time, so that you don't get much panic, don't get tense, don't get depressed, all those things will definitely happen. And I'm really concerned about it. And that is the reason I thought to make a video when I got this information from one of the our WhatsApp group. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video.